Welcome to my channel. Here in this video, I'll be restoring this weaving machine. It's stuck, it's not moving, as you can see. So I'll be restoring it back so it can be working again. Once I'm trying to rotate the hand wheel, the looper tends to hit somewhere. This looper right here on my left side, this one now, it tends to hook on the feed dog of the machine, so it doesn't make the machine to move at all. So I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. Now I'm going to chisel the looper. I'm going to chisel it so it will come down because it's too high. That's why it's hitting on the feed dog and getting the machine stuck. So just a little tap on it and it will no longer be hooking on the teeth. So I'm just tapping it a little and now it is free. The machine is no longer quacking on the teeth anymore. It's moving. Now I'm going to remove the needle so I can remove the plate, the needle plate, and clean the machine up. Now the plate is off, so I'm going to clean up the machine with a brush. I've just fixed back the plate, the needle plate, and I'm tightening the screw now. As you can see, the machine is now free, so I will be putting back the needle. So now I'll be working on the looper timing, the looper setting. As it is right now, the weaving machine is not weaving, it cannot weave. So as you can see, I'm trying to weave it, the thread is just not weaving together. So I'll be working on the looper settings now because the settings are just dislocated. So this is how to restore the machine back. Now first of all, we'll be seeing the needle and this other looper now. This needle is auto pick the thread from this looper. That's how they work, and it's not, so I'll be adjusting it from here. The needle is high, so in order to bring it down, the needle bar, I'm going to lose this knot here. Then I'll push the needle down, the needle rod. After doing the adjustment, I will tighten this screw back. The needle is still not picking the thread properly, so I'm going to adjust it down again. So I'll just take it down a little bit again so that the needle can be able to pick the thread from the right looper properly. You shouldn't skip a beat, you should pick it as always. The needle is now picking the thread from the looper. As you can see it, as the needle is going down, it takes the thread. So here, the left looper is ought to pick the thread from the needle. As the needle is going up, the left looper is supposed to pick, this looper here is supposed to pick the thread from the needle. As the needle is about to go up, the looper is supposed to take the thread from it. So it is not taking it, so I'm going to bring the needle down again so that the looper will be able to see the thread before the needle goes up. So I'm just taking the rod down again. It's still not picking it properly. Now this looper ought to pick the thread before the needle goes up, but the needle has already gone. So I'll adjust the needle down again. Now bring it down so it will be close enough for the looper to pick it up. Now let's take a look at it again. Now this is how it's supposed to work. As you can see, the looper now is able to pick the thread before the needle goes up completely. So that's how it works. Why as the needle is going to pick this one now, as the needle is coming down, it picks the thread from the other looper. Now with the setting that I did, the threads are now weaving together. As you can see right here, the threads are now weaving together. As the right looper is coming up, the needle is going down and it takes the thread from the looper, and as the needle is going up, the left looper takes the thread from the needle. So here the two loopers also connect with themselves too. Now you are going to see it from here. As the right looper is going up, it takes the thread from the left looper. That's how the both of them work. The right looper takes the thread from the left looper. As it comes up, the needle takes the thread from the right looper, and the left looper takes the thread from the needle. This is how the three of them interconnect with themselves. So as you can see, the threads are weaving together. So this is how to set a looper timing on your weaving machine. So this is it. This is how it works. Now I'll be putting a fabric and see if it's going to weave on a fabric too. As you can see, the weaving machine is now weaving on a fabric. So this is how to set the looper setting on your weaving machine. I'm going to weave it again so you can take a clear look. So the weaving is now back to life. It's now weaving as it ought to. Now you have to have in mind that it doesn't always work at first trial. It has to do with consistency. So when you try it on your own and it's not working, you just have to keep on doing it until eventually you are going to get the setting. So thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe.